Okay, good afternoon, members of the media. Tropical cyclone gale warning is now in force for Canberra, Ongea, Fulanga, Namuka, Modevatoa, and Oneilau. A strong wind warning remains in force for the eastern Viti Levu, northern Vanuatu, and Lamai Viti Group, Kandavu, Taviuni, and nearby smaller islands and Vanuatu. At 1 p.m. today, severe tropical cyclone Ula, Category 3, was located near 18.4 degrees south and 175.1 degrees west, or about 410 kilometers east of Canberra, or about 450 east-northeast of Oneilau. Tropical cyclone Ula is moving west-southwest at about 23 knots. Close to its center, the cyclone is expected to have average winds of 150 kilometers per hour and momentary gusts of 250 kilometers per hour. It is a small and compact system with 1 minute average winds estimated about 80 knots close to its center. On this track, the cyclone is expected to be located about 200 kilometers east of Canberra, or 250 kilometers northeast of Oneilau at 1 a.m. tonight, and about 125 kilometers southeast of Canberra, or about 75 kilometers northeast of Oneilau at 1 p.m. tomorrow. Damaging gale force winds may begin several hours before the cyclone center passes nearby or overhead. For Canberra, Ongea, Pulanga, Namuka, Mote, Vatoa, and Oneilau, winds increasing to damaging gale force with speeds of 75 km per hour and momentary gusts of 100 km per hour from Sunday morning. Occasional rain becoming heavy and frequent with squally thunderstorms from tonight, damaging swells with sea flooding of low-lying coastal areas. For the eastern Viti Levu, northern Lau, and Lamai Viti Group, Kandavu, Taviuni, and nearby smaller islands, and Vanuatu, strong southeast to southwest winds with average speeds of 45 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour. Occasional rain becoming frequent and heavy at times from tomorrow, and moderate swells developing. For the rest of Fiji, moderate to fresh westerly winds, gusty at times, occasional showers, possibly heavy at times from tomorrow. For Lau and Korosi, south to southwest winds, southeast to southwest winds, 30 to 40 knots, and gusts to 55 knots is very rough to high seas, heavy swells. For rest of Fiji, west to southwest winds, 20 to 30 knots with rough to very rough seas, moderate swells.